morning students, I am your Somnata ma'am. We are going to start our second term online classes. I hope you all stay safe at your home and keep healthy. You must follow your parents' opinion. Don't disobey them. Here in this online classes, we will provide each and every subject with each and every chapter. If you follow us in this video, you can get all the subjects according to all the exercises properly. We will start a new lessons from moral chapter number 3, that is bravery of the pizza boy. You take your book with you and open your book page number 14 and also take your notebook and pencil with you and write down the things which are important. Now we will start the lesson. Here it is a story about a pizza boy and something happened with him. Now let's learn the story properly. Once there was a pizza delivery boy named Pizarro. So Pizarro is the main character of this story. His job was to take pizzas and other stuffs to customers' homes so they could eat and relax. We all know, we all love pizza, and when we want to eat pizza, we get into that delivery of that home delivery session. Like that, his customers also delivered him. All the stuffs was put into a case which was behind his seat on the mopped. But Pizarro had the habit of leaving the pizza box unlocked because they weighed. He could make his deliveries faster. Means whenever he went for delivering the pizza, always he unlocked his pizza box because he thought that in this way he could deliver that pizza to the customers faster without any late. One day, as he was motoring around the home, from home to home as usual, two cars suddenly appeared and stole his pizzas. Pizarro secretly followed the cars and saw them pretend to be pizza delivery men at the next customer's house. So when one day, you saw the picture here, one day he was motoring around and delivering the pizzas to one home to another home. Two cars followed him and secretly stole his pizzas. And that cars means that those thieves followed the Pizarro and then pretend as a customer and pretend that customers to the delivery person. So the poor customer opened the door to the thieves who forced their way in and tied all the members of the house to a chair. So the thieves who stole Pizarro's pizza pretend them as a delivery of pizza delivery man and going to the next customer's door and knocked them and forcibly kept into their home and tied them as well. Pizarro was watching everything through the window and he called the police immediately. However, he realized that the family was in danger and there was no time to spare. So, after seeing that, Pizarro also followed those thieves and he went to the home where the customers has to tie up. So he saw through the window that the customers were in danger, so he called police immediately. As the police were making their way there, Pizarro pretended to be a policeman and shouted. Means when you call police, so they need some time to come at that place. During this time, Pizarro pretended himself as a policeman and shouted that you are surrounded, come out with your hands in the air. you are under arrest." The thieves were alarmed by this and began to file out the door with their hands in the air. As soon as they were outside, Pizarro told them to kneel down. Means after hearing this sound, the thieves thought that police had came there and they surrounded them properly. So they did not have any more option. So they put their hands in air and came out through the door. So as they came out, Pizarro told them to kneel down. By the time police had also arrived and Pizarro got all the thieves under control, got his pizzas back, and the grateful family had invited him to stay for dinner. That day, Pizarro ate for free and realized that pizza box should always be locked so that no one will be able to rob him again. So students, that is a lesson for us also. As like that Pizarro, if we unlocked our things, unlocked our important boxes, it can be stolen from others. Because we all have some important documents at home, some important documents at office, some important documents at school and colleges and also. So whatever is important for you, you always have to put it in a locked way. Don't open it all time because it will be harmful for you. So if Pizarro from the beginning he locked his pizza box, the thieves never be able to stole his pizza and don't interpret themselves as a pizza delivery man and tied up to the customer. So with this incident, Pizarro has learned that he had done very bad things previously. Now he learned the lesson and he had done the exact thing when he went to the pizza delivery to his customers. He always locked his box. So like this way, we also have to be very cautious and very responsible for our things, whatever in with us. That will be more important for us also. So if anybody can stole it easily, then it will be very bad for us. So within this story, you have learned many things, and moral subject tells us some moral value in our life. So when you are getting into the trouble, don't get nervous. Be brave and think positively. Be peace, come in your mind and think what is the way you have getting out from this trouble. So students, read this chapter carefully, follow it properly and listen me as we have to do our previous classes also. And in our next video, we will going to discuss about the question answers part. So before you write down the question answers in your notebook, you must read the chapters as well, and there are 4 pictures according to this story. You can draw any of the pictures from here in your notebook and don't forget to color it, because if you make your notebook colorful, it will give enjoyment to you when you are studying your question answers properly. So keep in study, keep in touch. We will do in our next class the exercise.